checking my emails before I get up and head to the office. This is how I like to start my day, just so that I'm caught up on anything that came through the night before. So guys, I've already gotten dressed because I have to get this before I do my hair, otherwise I'll smush it or mess it up somehow. So I'll be doing a puff. As you can see, I woke up with my hair like this. And I have like 3 bands here, so I'm just gonna put some of these cute little clips on. Only because puffs are just easier for me to work with. So I'm gonna start with the brown buttermilk. And I just take out a little bit just to kind of seal my hair before I put my curl maker on. And I apply it here. And then definitely to the back. So I don't know about you guys, but I like my hair to be a little bit more natural looking, so I don't aim to straighten the back at all. I'm definitely a 4 girl. So yeah, just want to get as much on there to kind of smooth your hair out. And then I use it's a sock, y'all, a stocking sock. And you just want to brush it up as best as you can. See how it smooths out. Ooh, hands are slippery. And then you band it. So this is my band. And I take it around the front of my hair. But you just want to shimmy it up. And voila, puff. So then you bring it back around to the front. You tie it and you tuck it. You hide it somehow. I mean, it still tries to peek through, but, and then from here I just spread my hair as big as I can get it so I can have a big puff. See? Okay, so I'm using some hair jewels. There's this one. Yikes. This is like the hardest to open when you have nails. I'll put it, oh crap, in the center. Yeah. I'm literally just placing it over the rubber bands. So I like to use a foam on my edges first to kind of help them stay in place before I use edge control. So we'll start, and then we're just gonna do that. But you just want to let it dry in a little bit. And same thing for this side. Now I'm going back in with my edge control. I have my brush here. I never want to put too much on my brush. Not only the edges, but pretty much the entire front. I have this other one as well, which will help me, like the comb on the other end of it will help define the edges. So that takes care of my hair. Usually I would tie it, but I just don't have the extra time. That's it. So I'm actually gonna, before I head out, use some of the Absolute Orange whipped buttercream. A little goes a long way, you don't need a lot. So, finish everything up, I just do my hands. And now I'm ready to go. See y'all later.